So this is Sharp Park, Queensland, Australia.
Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time.
Lovely willow trees and Sharp Park is a bush park.
Dog friendly.
Dog friendly. It's camping. They provide toilets. And that's it, no showers. Fire pits, and you can get firewood here for $15 a bag. The dogs must remain on leash at all times.
Sheep.
Sheep. So at Sharp Park, cost us $26 a night. And for that $26, we actually got a powered site. They've got about 5 or 6 powered sites here, so if you ring up and book, you mightn't get one, but there's plenty of unpowered places. As we said, they provide you firewood and cost you $15 a bag. And the people here are really nice, can't do enough for you. When you come in the main gate, just there in front of you, you'll see those gazebos. That's where the managers are. Just go in there and say hello and take it from there. They do FPOS and cash, so that's handy. So when you come into Sharp Park, this is the sign you'll see. No campers beyond here. And that's the park. As we said, when you come in, you can actually go down there to your right and follow around. It's all a loop road. Or you can come down here and follow around to your left, depending on where you're camping. But when you come in, they escort you down to your side anyway, so there's no confusion, and they make it clear where your boundaries and everything are. Over the side, let them through. So Sharp Park's really good for groups, and if you just want to be by yourself. And there's more campsites down there, more secluded. And down there's another group area down there. It's well signposted. And over on your right hand side, over there you can see the toilets. There's 2 toilets for males, flush toilets and 2 toilets for females. They've got a water tank there that you can wash your hands with. But as I said, they prefer to bring your own.
Soap to wash your hands with too, which is
There's
good.
soap there to provide, that's right, Loretta, yeah. Beautiful place. Just over an hour from Brisbane again. So you know, you can leave Brisbane within an hour, you can come out to these places and you could be anywhere in Australia. Pickles has spotted another dog and wants to go and play, but and there we are. A lap off Sharp Park. To get down the water, they've got little entrance ways like this. A little mud staircase that comes up from the park. Just there, a short walk down. And you can actually come down to the river. You have to be a bit careful, it's a bit slippery underfoot. But be a bit careful. Take it easy. Then you come down to beautiful places like this. Beautiful running water. This morning, some of the people we're staying with got up real early and went for a walk and found the platypus just up there, playing. Beautiful.
In a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time.
So I hope you enjoyed our little video with Sharp Park, and remember to like and subscribe and continue to help us to live our dream. And thank you for watching.
Stand by, watch me fall.